Welcome back to Bite Size Philosophy. Tonight we wrap up the final lesson on Thales of Miletus. The Earth is floating on water. Aside from the fascination with eclipses and the well-known stance he had on water as the initial principle of our universe, Thales proposed that Earth was balanced atop an incredibly vast expanse of water. He theorized that earthquakes occurred when the Earth is rocked by waves. However, modern science would dismiss this idea, though it did offer an early explanation of both events such as earthquakes and the planet's stability. Through envisioning the planet as buoyed by a colossal aquatic base, Thales strived to ground geological events through natural reasoning, rather than any whims of deities or other beings of myth. Propositions like this neatly reflected the broad content of early Greek cosmology, in which philosophers strive to unravel the nature of our existence through careful observation and logical conjecture. We know today that our planet isn't wobbling around in the cosmic ocean. Thales brought out the shift towards seeking real-world causes over the divine or mystic, setting the stage for subsequent thinking that would expand upon and refine humanity's knowledge of planetary mechanics. Though his theory was way off the mark in modern terms, Thales' floating Earth theory can still represent his fearless leap towards rational inquiry, reminding us that progress commonly requires hazarding fresh ideas, even if later on found to be incorrect. His acts of chasing plausible explanations and questioning dogmas helped lay the groundwork of countless intellectual advances. He was seen as a champion of bold curiosity that still serves well today. Although his specific ideas were later proven incorrect, Thales' importance lies in the attempt to explain the world using reason and observation rather than myths, which marked the beginning of science and philosophy. Unfortunately and ironically, Thales passed away at 78 during the 58th Olympiad due to sunstroke and thirst. The inscription on his tomb read, "Here in a narrow tomb great Thales lies, yet his renown for wisdom reached for the skies." Truly a lovely send-off.